Okay, so this is the part that I want to talk about my PA. That yeah, so I basically took it down over here. See his reaction from here. What else want to say? Um, I would have done a little bit holding here to here, but I got the point that they start reacting a little bit, so I got out from that area. So to this area. Once they started reacting, I just got out from there. Saying it's not a good price to get in. No, to hold all this area before all this holding, and that time I gotta go to work. What can I done better if I want to push it a little bit more? I would have done more a little bit here if I wanted to hold it to 1 hour and check it out. But the point that I didn't plan to hold it. So now the market is opening, so I kind of like it the way it move, and it's moving down. If they decide to break it, where's my phone? Okay, so yeah, that's basically my PA of the day. So far, very getting to arts, it was very great. How they react to the market. So thank you for watching, and yeah, if you have any feedback, please YouTube how you say send it to me. Then I look after it, what kind I could able to improve. Today I'm kind of a little mumbly because just work out, just stay positive and just keep going. Yeah, thank you for watching.